All right, so it's Thursday night. I just got the PA locomotive in the mail, put it on the track, test it out. There's the box, there's the other stuff, and got it to run from here to about here with no issues. Backed it up, put the body on it, drove it down the track, and apologize for the mess. Oh, drove down the track, got about here, it started making some gear noise, some squeaking. So I stopped it there, put it in reverse, backed it down the track. It got quieter, so I kept backing it back over to here and into the tunnel. Backed it to about there, stopped, and then it wouldn't move again. So I pulled it out and brought it back over here, took the body off to test it, see what's going on. And when I apply some throttle, let me turn the sound off here. Oh, the sound is awesome. Lights are great. Let me turn off the sound. Let me turn the sound off on my other locomotive. Okay, so you can see that I am making it go forwards because the light will come on there. And let's see if we can get the flywheel moving here. So I noticed that the flywheel, there it is, does try to move and does move just very slowly. There you can see it rotating. Right now I'm on speed 20, 30. It really doesn't matter. That's as much as it moves. And now it's off. So it seems like, I don't know, maybe something's jammed. This isn't exactly my area of expertise, diagnosing locomotive issues. I'm happy to take it apart, but I don't want to do that before we come to some kind of agreement. So that's what's going on. Thanks for looking.